In this quick video, I will show you how to send cake to Metamask from Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to wallet and click overview. Click withdraw and then select your coin. Then choose cake and then go to your Metamask wallet. And if you haven't added cake on your Metamask wallet yet, you can go to import tokens here and then type down cake and then click here, click next and click import tokens. And then click copy and then copy the address by clicking here, paste the address here, and you don't need to change the network because it automatically matched to the corresponding network, which is the BSC. And then type the amount of cake you want to withdraw, but make sure that it is 0.046 cake and above. And then choose your wallet. So if you have your funds in spot wallet, just click here. And then if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here. So for example, I want to withdraw 1 cake and then I will receive this amount of cake. Then click withdraw, click confirm, click continue, and then you're gonna need to go to security verification. So type down your authenticator code, the email verification code, the phone number verification code, and then click submit. And once you have completed the security verification, wait for the transaction to be completed, and you can see here the recent withdrawal, which is still processing. And once the transaction is completed, go back to your Metamask wallet and check if you have received the cake token. So let's scroll down here, and now you can see that I have 0.977 cake. And if you have any questions about how to send cake to Metamask from Binance, leave a comment below.